Singapore once again. So we're in Changi Airport. Gonna fetch my brother. He's visiting Singapore along with a couple of my friends. So just gonna try and capture a few videos for you so I can share. We're heading on to the arrival area of Terminal 3.
Life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
So I think these guys arrive an hour late, so we have to wait for them. And as you can see, this is my brother in the red cap. He is quite incapacitated at the moment when they arrive in Singapore. We're having our first meal here in Singapore with the gang. There's Mark, Shana, Emerson, and Lala the girl. So first up, since we are already in Terminal 1, which is where the Changi Jewel is located, it was a perfect timing to visit Changi Jewel, and they have this Marvel displays during the time that they visited Singapore. It's quite nice.
I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
So after they settled and they had a few minutes rest, we brought them to the city area, and they're quite excited for their first bus ride in Singapore. Video ko kayo. Home video to eh.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Singapore.
Welcome to my vlog.
It's also a good thing that the MRT is just near our house in Bedok. So yeah, and then on this part, I let Mark figure out how to top up his travel card. It's called EasyLink in Singapore. Then after that, brought them to a grueling walk across Shears Bridge in Marina Bay. So this bridge, you get to cross the whole bayside from the end of Promenade going to MBS. You should try going here by foot if you get a chance. It's nice in this place. So the next day, we brought them to Gardens by the Bay, typical places where you bring friends and families when they visit Singapore. Kamusta ang Singapore? Enjoy mo?
Yeah. Sobra.
Dahil ba maganda rito?
Dami. Rocky. Ayun, Rocky.
Sino? I think the day after this, our friends from Baguio City would be arriving. Although I don't have them on this video because by the time I stopped recording videos, because I'm so tired just with a lot of work that I've been doing the past few days. Yeah, but we had Isa and her kids with us after our visit to the gardens by the bay.
Sa lahat daw ng pinuntahan natin,
Ito na hindi kay. Mahilig ba siya sa flowers? Hawaii ka. Yan, pwede ka dyan. Yun na. Lalog na sa buwan mo. Okay, this is where I'm gonna wrap up this tour video snippets. After the video, the second part would show our jamming in the GarageBand home studio. So if you would like to check it out, keep watching. If not, no hurt feelings. Thank you for watching up to this point, and I hope you enjoyed this short video that I've shared for today.
With the Jeje vibes. Ay, lobat pa.
Post yan ah.
Saan ba si Shena? Yata si Shena.
Post yan, ba't di pa post? Yan nga ang,
Nakakahiya.
yan nga ang ano. Tatalo sa lahat.
Ayan, kita tayo lahat, no? Yeah.
Teka lang.
Even in my heart